64% said yes, they support the ongoing demolitions. And if you look at it across the country, 75% of those in Nairobi support it. So that's really majority, an overwhelming majority. Look at Rift, 68% support the demolitions. Northeastern, 68% support the demolitions. Central, 64% support the demolitions. Nyanza, same 64 support demolitions. Even in Eastern, we have 62%. It is Western and Coast where there's slightly less, but still a majority support the demolitions at 56 and 54% respectively. We also asked, do you support the ongoing arrests and prosecution of persons involved in corruption or theft of public resources? Look at that figure. It is nearly every Kenyan. So 94% of Kenyans support the arrests and prosecution of persons involved in corruption. This is a clear message to the DPP, to EACC, and the efforts that the president has started. So it should actually go on. That is really what Kenyans are saying. Are you confident that the declared unity between Uhuru and Raila will result in meaningful reforms that, will in corruption, just with regards to corruption? Will we see something done with corruption, with this new, found camaraderie between Uhuru and Raila? And frankly, Kenyans are not very confident, not yet at least. So we have 45% of Kenyans saying no. They don't think that that handshake and the working relationship between Uhuru and Raila will, as yet, result in meaningful, reforms with regards to eradication of corruption. Only 32% right now believe that it will result in that, and 16% are like, maybe it will. So perhaps, with regards to the handshake, we need to be seeing the two, leaders outlining for us very clearly as the public what it is that this handshake will mean for us.